Hi, thank you for joining us today. This is Searching Resources with Josh. We have a couple different apps that we are going to go through today, and we really appreciate you being with us. Let's go ahead and look at the first one. The first game we have for you today is called Word Connect Fun. It is a word game where you will construct words out of letters. Here is the front page, the menu page. There are a few different options. Here you have the play button, you have music, which you can play. This button here allows you to turn off the click of the mouse or on your phone. You can hear that there. And then there's a few other options here. Let's go ahead and click that start button. Awesome. So we have levels 1 through 5 on the first page. There are 4 pages of this game. And so you have to complete each level to move on to the next one. So you have 1 through 5, and then it'll go on 6 through 10. So let's go ahead and show you what a level looks like. Let's go ahead with level number 7. So you have 3 letters and you have 2 options here for words, which means you have to figure out which words go in these boxes. So there's a 3-letter word and there's a 2-letter word. This is going to help your student really grasp how to take letters and mold them into words, and it'll help them with sounding out the words as well. So the first word I'll put in, there you go, the word is row. Now, if you pick something that's incorrect, it won't do anything except down here at the bottom, it'll show, it'll go away. So the other word, of course, is or, and then you have a complete. So that's how you complete each level in this game. Once you're here, you can either go back to the menu, you still have that music option, or you can click next and go on to the next set. So you have 2 3-letter words here, and the levels will give you more options for more words with more letters as you continue the game. Up here we have an option A to Z, and what you can do is switch around the letters. If you're having a tough time figuring out what the word is, it'll switch around the letters for you, and then maybe you can see the word after that. Awesome. And so that is our first game. The second app that I am going to show you is called Sound Beginnings. We have, this is the page that you'll see when you are on Sound Beginnings. This is the opening page. You have 3 options here on the first page. You have beginning sound, middle sound, and end sound. So you, based on your students' needs, can determine if they need help, you think at the beginning of the words, then you can start with beginning sounds or middle sounds. A lot of times those vowels are really tricky for the students if you want them to work on middle sounds, and then of course there's the end sound. For this one, we're going to start with beginning sound, and then down here you have how many choices, so 3, 4, 5. This is an app that uses multiple choice, and so you have, if you want to give them 3 options to choose from, then you can choose 3, or you can have 4 options, or you can have 5. For the training purposes today, let's go ahead and go with 3. How many matches per round? In other words, how many different sound scenarios are they going to give you per round? So you can choose 5, 10, all the way up to 25. And then you have pictures to letters option, or you have letters to pictures. If you pick the letters to pictures, what you'll get is the sound of the letters, and then it will show you a picture. So let's go ahead and do that. So there's pictures at the top.
Log.
And it'll, if you click on each option, it will tell you what it is. In this empty space, that is where you want to click to find out what letter you're looking for. So you're looking for a T sound.
log, tux, hit,
So you hear the T sound
tux,
on tux, so you
tux.
hold it, you drag it to the empty box there, and you get it correct, and it will automatically move you on to the next thing. So that is pretty much how that app works. Like I said, there's 4 and 5 options if you want to put more options up there, so that your student really has to hear what sounds are in each word. So I think that's pretty cool app. If you need help, there's a question mark down here, and you can type in help, and then you can hit home and change your choices down here. Here is the last app that we are going to be showing you for today. This app, you can see, is called Kids Spelling Fun. I think it is an awesome app. It has different options, so it starts with 3-letter words all the way up to 6-letter words and maybe even to 7-letter words. So it covers a wide span of your learner. So for the example today, so this is the home page that you'll see, and you have 3 options here. You have a learn, you have a practice, and you have a test. So I think this is a great way to really expand on your child's learning, and they can learn first, then they can practice what they've learned, and then they can do a test on what they've learned as well. I think that really helps them to gain confidence. That process of learn, practice, test, it'll help them to gain confidence in their spelling and in their reading. So let's go ahead and click on the learn option. So it starts with 3-letter words, and you can move on to 4-letter words if you click the arrow here. And sorry, my computer is a little slow, but you can see 5-letter words, and it continues on to 6-letter words. Just as an example, let's go ahead and click on a 4-letter word. And we'll click the first one here. So the word is boot. You can see down here it spelled it for you. And now it gives you the letters to spell it again. So it shows you the word at first and then gives you the letters to spell it again. If you try to spell it and it's incorrect, it'll throw that letter over there, then it'll throw it right back at you. So let's go ahead and spell the word correctly. And you don't have to wait for the letter to get all the way over there before you put all the letters in. There you go. You have the word boot. It gives you the option to continue. You continue, and then it'll give you the next word and give you the letter options. So like I said, you have 3, 4, 5, 6 letter options, which covers a wide variety of learning from 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th grade. And so I think that this is also a great option for you. So we want to say thank you for sharing your time with Center for Success. We are grateful for the opportunity to be a part of your life, and it's great to share a new form of community with you. We look forward to the next time. Next time we will have more apps for you, and we will continue to explore these options and the ways to help your students grow. So we thank you for it, and we will see you next time.